Hi, I'm Chef G, and I've cooked in some of the best restaurants in the world, and I probably even cooked for you too. Today, as promised, when I made the chips last week, I said I was going to teach you guys how to make tzatziki. Hey, Yogo! Today you're going to show them how to make a tzatziki? Oh, Panagia! I think it's Easter somewhere, but Greek Easter is next week. I think so. Don't give too many of your secrets away, Yorgo, okay? I can't believe that Yaya second guessing me how to make tzatziki. I cooked in some of the top restaurants in the world. I don't know what she's talking about, but she is right about Greek Easter. That's next week. And these are the ingredients you need to make tzatziki. It has very few simple ingredients. Fresh dill. I use a hothouse cucumber, garlic, lemon, yogurt, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This is actually one of the first things I learned how to make. I was taking a home economics class when I was in high school, and for some reason, Anush keeps on telling me that I took it to be with the girls because I was the only guy in the class. I took it because it was an easy A. But this was one of the first sauces that I learned how to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. All right, it's kind of easy. Always be careful when you use a knife, guys. If you want me to give you a tutorial on knives, I can, but I'm sure there's a bunch of other chefs out there. I split the cucumber in half, just like that. Split it in half again. And this is a seedless cucumber, but I like to take out the little bit of seeds that are in there, just like this. You get a little spoon, right into the bowl goes. Look at that. Look at how easy this is. And I adapted a lot of these recipes so you can make them at home. Being with this whole thing that's going on, I've been cooking a lot more at home, and I realized that I do different techniques at home as I do in the restaurant, but they're very similar, believe it or not, to a certain degree. Just different utensils that we use and different quantities, obviously. And then after that, what I like to do is I like to grate the zucchinis with a grater. And I have a little strainer here in a bowl, and I just grate it right into the strainer. You can make a little bit of a mess if you want. Just like that. Just grate that. Use one of these simple graters. You could dice it, chop it up, but this is the most easiest way I find to do it. And the reason why I'm putting it in a strainer is because you don't want too much liquid in the tzatziki because it thins it out too much. So I'll show you a technique that we do in the higher end places. We do that. There you go. That's probably enough for cucumbers for this tzatziki amount. I have about a cup and a half of yogurt, and it's a thicker style Greek yogurt. You could use Dannon, you could use Chobani. There's a bunch of different ones that you could use, but being Greek, I obviously prefer the Greek yogurt. And then what we do, a little trick that we do in the restaurant, is we salt it a little bit, because the salt helps bring out the moisture. See how I'm salting it like that? Not too much salt. Let me get the bigger hole there. And then you just give it a little bit of toss in the salt. And then we set that aside for a little bit. And then we're gonna get the other ingredients together. While I'm here, I'm gonna clean up my mess a little bit. And this is the fun part. I got my bowl here and the yogurt. So here, we take the yogurt, and I put it right in the bowl. It's about a cup and a half of yogurt. Get all that goodness. Brings me back to the day. Get all this stuff out of the way. And then I start with putting in the garlic. Everybody has a garlic press at home, I hope. It doesn't matter. Look, I got yogurt on my hands. This is fun stuff, guys. And I give a little press, just like that. So that was 2 cloves of garlic. I like it garlicky, and garlic is a natural antioxidant, natural antibiotic. So let's put another one in because we got the whole situation going on. A little extra garlic in there. How beautiful is that? Then a little dill. You don't have to put the dill, but the dill adds a nice little dimension to it, which is great. And we just chop it just like that. Look at that go. Say we put about two 2.5 tablespoons of dill. Should be plenty. Little 2.5 tablespoons of dill. Look at that, nice fresh dill. And then I like to put in a lemon. Look how easy this is, guys. How easy is this? Look at that. My handy dandy lemon squeezer. You've seen this in like every episode. And I just like to put the juice of 1 lemon in here for around 2.5 cups. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so just to show you guys, I just salted the cucumbers, right? And look at all this liquid that came out of them in just a couple of minutes. And what I also like to do is I like to give it another squeeze just to get all the rest of the liquid out of it. You could use a towel, or there's other techniques you could use. I mean, in the restaurant we put it in a towel, tablecloth, and squeeze it out that way, but you don't have to at home. If it's a little loose, who's gonna complain? Nobody's paying for it, right? There we go. So I squeezed out most of the juice. Then we add the cucumber to it. Just like that. Shred the cucumber. Nice and easy. I add approximately 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. There you go. A little salt. About 1/2 tablespoon of salt. We could always put more. And then my favorite, cracked fresh pepper. About 1/4 teaspoon. And just mix away. Look at that. Oh, that's coming together, guys. That's it. Tzatziki. Nice and simple. Look at that. And don't listen to these people and put sour cream and all that other stuff in. If you guys have a looser yogurt, what's nice is the day before you can put it on a cheesecloth or a coffee filter on a little colander like I have over there, or a strainer, and drain out some of the liquid. But you know, this tzatziki looks pretty good. Always give it a taste, guys. Taste, taste, taste. That's the key. So I'm gonna give it a taste. I think I got lucky again. Spot on. Lots of garlic, but I wanted it that way. So if you guys want to cut back on the garlic and only use 2 cloves, I think that might be good. You made that look real easy, but now I got to taste it. You were paying attention as a little boy, Yorgo. You made it delicious. I'm so glad it was Yaya approved, because that makes me feel proud. I did pay attention when I was a little boy. It is one of the mother sauces in Greek. I mean, you could put it virtually on anything. We put it on chicken kebabs, yidol. You serve it with bread, pita bread. Oh, pita bread. Maybe I'll show you guys how to make that next episode. I also make this other nice bread at home that I gotta give you guys a secret on that too. But basically, you could put it on anything. Now I'm gonna give it a taste. You know what? I've been eating so much bread lately that I'm gonna have, like, with a crudité or veggies, I got these beautiful heirloom carrots that I just take a dip in, and you can keep it gluten-free, and take a bite. I outdid myself. That deserves a chef kiss. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. I know that you're home with the family. You're going to have fun making a lot of things, getting close with them. And if there's anything else you guys want me to make, please email me. I'm there for you.